I know one woman Mathias Ezeaku say no je a church. Not a crusade, man. When I walk with for video about it, or to pay the house. You can only head each and one men no can you not condemn or the same thing on a gakwafo. Can the buy nothing in the senior in an achon as a gabo can am local. Also, I guess Ben sincere to mass, saying Chawiness, Hanchan and Aquamolo. So Mathias, he got a church on any make up again. Familiar can asonate. So I told me Buno can chokun Tiakana Rukun Evida because in nature, Ishi and not drop and comment again. A comment session, and as na Christmas, I am all on Nebonama. Cordon on boards and the buy.
Mathias Ezeaku we had the funny man. I can't quote Mathias. I follow Iri Crusade, 3 days powerful crusade program. Actually, host Italy. A lot of people. If you go in Ishi, crusade. Yes, crusade. The one do can wear. Yes, it belongs to church. Ondo can introduce crusade to us. And when Attire like this, may research about the meaning of crusade. We talk dictionary about the word crusade. We say a long determined attempt to achieve something you strongly believe in. Man, Mathias, that brings me to Iyen. Now listen, in life, if you want to achieve anything, my brother, don't close another person's own because in actually may your own achieve. That is one thing in me, Mathias did very wrong. Now you are hosting crusade, but you were against crusade. That means you know the meaning of in achieve. In Abamba and the Christian they hold crusade. No can hold crusade, Ndi Igbo, Ndi Igbo, medicine. Man, the meaning of crusade is to achieve something. So he believe strongly. Ndi Igbo believe that. How believe in God, they believe in their Christianity, this thing. That is why they host to crusade, they made their programs. That is the meaning. Okay, now Mathias, listen. Mathias, Genti, you are on way each again. Okay. I don't want to call any Oka name, but on way each again and Oka. Matthias, you are trying to build your own church. Like other churches, just that the GUO, that is what you are trying to build for yourself. You the founder of a particular church. Man, your own doctrine. Your own doctrine who in a man who's Omenala. Ona other churches can go near church. People they misunderstand the Christianity in a church. Church ibido something go on your own perspective. You may pay who can kegi. Buy Jesus na a global ministry. Tinye your own doctrine, your own understanding of Guinea. That is church for you. That is church for you. That is why we get Christ embassy for the trouser. And when you go closer to them and make quotation and prove a person in trouser, and Ashata, Jeno Kanikama Jehovah, they kick you against it, and they will still give you proof. It's their own understanding of Bible, or their own understanding of the word Christianity. Just a vendor of church, church, according to Nosi, Mathias, that is exactly the same thing with you. So when we make utterances on your teaching or whatever, even how he sort to take this thing, stop causing churches because there is nothing different between them and you. It's just that again, Hannah about Jesus, Mathias again about you, both of you can do the same thing. It's just the same thing. Although man na bia na your own this thing na in aka every Sunday. Mathias in enye, Mathias in a bazaar, Mathias in a crusade. Very soon now, if care is not taking here, we don't even go Holy Communion. Is your own doctrine of understanding. So Mathias in aka not tradition. In aka man, he just impose way on Igbos. Like not tradition. If you want to talk about Onyana fight tradition, Onyana fight to restore tradition back to its normal, you talk of million we lock alaku. On the belief in a tradition and now for Isiagu. This is never how I walk, the highest thing and then I way Bagahanu can deceive her. So Mathias, you are just your own daddy GO in your own doctrine. In a mepoka, you the founder of your own organization, Oka. onwe differentiate gị na ume ọba ya, onwe differentiate gị na odumeje ha. Onye dị learned ya ghọta na Mathias so ụka ka ị na-aka. You are introducing your own ụka according to your own pattern, and I will advise you akparizi n'ụka ọzọ, because ka isi eme nke gị ka ha si eme nke ha. They believe not Jesus ka ha eji wee build nwa onwe ha according to their own understanding. Mathias gị nwa na onwe gị believe when ihe eji omenala. Ihe na-eme omenala, you are not restoring tradition. Email research of the meaning of tradition. I think tradition is transmission of people's custom and belief from generation to generation. Why church is a place you can sit and worship your creator. Now, Mathias, you watch this thing now, man, no build. You are building your own empires, not fighting for tradition. If you fight for tradition, you know the right ways of Ndi Igbo media tradition. You cannot keep saying now by the others while you are doing the same thing they are doing. The same ego hana choke na Mathias. Now, powerful crusade, Ili in Igbo language, my brother, if you want to go for Igbo tradition, can was say number one ways of Igbo tradition will get our language. Now, why we need a mere Igbo, Mathias, in a tradition on Docha, you are no longer fighting for Igbos. Each fight for Igbos, you make use of Igbo language. That is number one custom, tradition, issue Igbo. You make introduction of Gese, Ebalonse, Isiagu, Kaisi, more these things. That is our tradition. Are we in a what you are doing is church, practically church, in your own belief. That is church for you. Crusade Italy would the same thing in the church in that is the same thing in Italy. So, I wouldn't have to be here, Mathias. You will need to go back, sit down, Gapaturu him, when one know Omaya ditch again and Doka. It's just that in Ibia will impose your own tradition. And they stop calling it tradition because it's an insult to Igbo people and to our ancestors. In a man where English tradition. Tradition hoka. Tradition women and Ndi Igbo. Tradition women and Ndi, not Oka. Not some tradition how we be Jabata. There's no way you will restore tradition by ime poka maka tradition. It is not possible now. Because I think you're getting no so about traditional communion. So can happen in a confused why? Here you can acquire this when you boost up the bandozo. I won't be the may achieve to your own, to your attempt, oh Israel. Manipula, you were trying to paint other pastors and had a bad, and had a meaningful, while you are doing the same thing. That is the same thing in them. If you want to know somebody now fight the tradition, you go to Million Willows page or go to Million Willows house. If here we fight for tradition, he bring the tradition Igbo back. Not he in them. In them, who can achieve introduce in your own format. Has one this before na chubam. The difference of alcohol and his own.